In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Webflow. We'll set this up using the official Zapier app so your Webflow site can talk to Stripe without code. Start by opening your Webflow dashboard. From your workspace, head to your site's view and make sure you're on the main dashboard screen so the top navigation is visible. Next, open the Marketplace and choose Apps. In the Apps directory, use the search bar to look up Zapier. Open the Zapier app page, then click Install App. This adds a secure bridge between your Webflow workspace and Zapier, which is what we'll use to connect Stripe. After installing, you'll see an option to connect Webflow to thousands of apps. Click that to jump into Zapier's Webflow integrations. Zapier will open its editor, where you set up an automation often called a Zap. In the editor, click to choose an app for your action step and search for Stripe. Select Stripe from the results. You'll then choose an event for Stripe. Click the event drop-down and pick Create Product. This is a simple, reliable action to demonstrate the connection and is a common starting point if you plan to manage products from Webflow. You can always change the event later to match your workflow. Now click Connect Stripe. A new window will prompt you to continue. Approve by selecting Yes, Continue to Stripe. You'll be taken to Stripe's secure authorization page. If you're not already signed in, log into your Stripe account. Choose the correct Stripe account if you manage more than one, review the requested permissions, and authorize access. If you're just testing, make sure you're in test mode in Stripe so you don't create live data. You can switch to live mode later when you're ready. Once authorization completes, Zapier returns you to the editor with your Stripe account listed as connected. From here, you can proceed to fill in any required fields for the Create Product action, such as product name or description, and use sample data to test the connection. A quick test ensures Zapier can reach Stripe successfully and confirms you picked the right account and mode. That's it. You installed the Zapier app in Webflow, opened the Webflow integrations in Zapier, selected Stripe as your app, chose the Create Product event, and securely connected your Stripe account. If you need to change accounts or revoke access later, you can manage connections from your Zapier account settings. When you're ready, continue building your automation to match your Webflow setup